everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to create a TrustWallet account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to create a new account on TrustWallet or if you want to get started with TrustWallet, then you've landed in the right place. First, if you're doing this on your mobile device, download the TrustWallet application. Once you do that, open up the app and this will be the first interface for TrustWallet. TrustWallet is a secure place where you can store a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. With the TrustWallet app, you can easily exchange one crypto for another, store your cryptocurrency on various blockchain networks, collect your NFTs by using TrustWallet's dApp browser, and access popular NFT marketplace such as OpenSea or Rarible. From the first interface of TrustWallet, tap on Create a New Wallet button. Go through the legal terms of service and privacy policy of TrustWallet and check the box at the bottom and tap Continue. To add an extra layer of security while using the app, create a passcode. Type in the passcode with the help of the keypad and confirm the passcode by retyping it again. Once you are done, you'll need to back up your wallet on the next page. You'll be able to see the secret recovery phrases and it will allow you to recover your wallet. Remember that you should not lose your secret phrases or your funds will be lost forever. Also, do not share your secret phrases to anyone since your funds might get stolen from the wallet. And once you check all of these three boxes, tap Continue at the bottom. On the next page, you'll be able to see your secret phrases, which is 12 words. Write down the secret recovery phrases in a piece of a paper or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere else safe where no one will be able to get access to. Once you back up your secret phrases, tap the Continue button at the bottom. On the next page, select the words in the correct order, just like you backed up before. And once you type in all of the secret recovery phrases in the correct order, tap the Continue button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, go through the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to create your new wallet for TrustWallet. You can now enable push notifications to stay up to date and receive notifications for incoming and outgoing transactions. Tap on Enable in order to do so, and that is your main interface for TrustWallet. That is how you can easily create a new wallet for TrustWallet. Now you can easily send and receive token, buy your first cryptocurrency, and so much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.